If an animal's in a health plan and been given all its doses, but you feel it needs an extra dose, it's pretty simple to do. Click on the tile of that animal, cow 353. This will take you directly to the animal health screen. Cow 353 has had one dose, but we feel it needs an extra dose. Just click and add an extra dose. Dose has been added, done. We'll head back to the treatment screen. Alternatively, you can look up any animal you like using the quick action button up here. Let's have a look at 153, and we can go directly to its health page and do it that way from any screen in the software. Go to animal info, click on health, and we can add an extra dose.